Artificial intelligence (AI) has made significant advancements and is being applied across various fields to enhance efficiency, accuracy, and innovation. Here are some examples of how AI is being used in different domains. Healthcare. Diagnosis and treatment. AI-powered systems can assist in diagnosing diseases by analyzing medical images, like X-rays, MRIs, and identifying patterns that might be missed by human experts. Drug discovery. AI algorithms can predict potential drug candidates and simulate molecular interactions to accelerate the drug discovery process. Personalized medicine. AI analyzes patient data to tailor treatment plans based on an individual's genetics, medical history, and lifestyle. Finance. Algorithmic trading. AI-driven algorithms make rapid trading decisions by analyzing market data, trends, and historical patterns. Fraud detection. AI identifies unusual patterns in transactions and behaviors to detect and prevent fraudulent activities. Credit scoring. Machine learning models analyze credit data to predict the creditworthiness of individuals and businesses. Automotive. Self-driving cars, AI-powered sensors, and algorithms enable vehicles to navigate, avoid obstacles, and make driving decisions autonomously. Predictive maintenance. AI analyzes data from sensors in vehicles to predict when maintenance is needed, reducing downtime and costs. Retail. Recommendation systems. AI-driven algorithms analyze user behavior and preferences to provide personalized product recommendations. Inventory management. AI optimizes inventory levels by predicting demand patterns and adjusting stock accordingly. Education. Personalized learning. AI tailors educational content and pacing to individual students' strengths and weaknesses. Automated grading. AI can grade assignments and tests, providing quick feedback to students. Manufacturing. Quality control. AI-powered vision systems inspect products for defects and ensure quality standards are met. Supply chain optimization. AI predicts demand, manages inventory, and optimizes logistics to reduce costs and improve efficiency. Entertainment. Content recommendation. AI suggests movies, music, and other content based on user preferences and viewing history. Content generation. AI can create art, music, and even generate scripts for videos or stories. Agriculture. Precision farming. AI analyzes data from sensors and drones to optimize crop yield and reduce resource waste. Pest detection. AI identifies pests and diseases in crops using image recognition and data analysis. Energy. Smart grids. AI optimizes energy distribution by analyzing consumption patterns and adjusting supply accordingly. Predictive maintenance. AI monitors equipment in power plants to predict maintenance needs and prevent failures. Security. Cybersecurity. AI detects and responds to cyber threats by analyzing network traffic and identifying anomalies. Surveillance. AI-enabled cameras can identify suspicious activities and objects in real time. These are just a few examples of how AI is transforming various industries. The versatility of AI allows it to be adapted to specific needs within each domain, leading to improved efficiency, accuracy, and innovation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.